Hello everyone, welcome to part 224 of Advanced Ecom series in Laravel 8. So first of all, we are going to review all the points, see the pending points. This point we have done now, subscriber email and newsletters. So we will shift it to the done points. Okay, so only few points are left. Okay, so now see this one we have already started working on the export to Excel. So and after that I think we must do import to Excel as it is related to the same thing. Okay, so export to Excel that we have already done. If we will open the admin panel, and we can see we have done the export to Excel for newsletters. So let's log in into the admin panel, and here if you will go to newsletter subscribers, you can see the export we have already provided this feature. You can see here that this is the export, like ID, email and subscribe on. We able to export the subscribers, okay, that subscribed in our Laravel e-commerce website. Okay, but this is not enough. Export we are required to provide to the users. We are required to provide to the see, this one I have already done in the test environment, I think. Okay, I'm going to, yeah, this one we are going to provide such kind of option for the users. Okay, for exporting the user, such kind of option. Okay, so I'm going to see, will run my project first of all. Here in ecom 6 new terminal folder, php artisan serve. Okay, you know how to run in Windows if you are on Windows. Okay, so I will refresh this one, and here I will go admin.com 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so here I'm going to show you newsletter subscribers. See, subscribers we able to export from here, and you can see that these are the subscribers we able to export from the admin panel. Okay, so we want to export now users as well. Okay, and after that orders as well. See, we need to provide the export because client required to get the data in Excel file to better manage the data. Okay, so export is required at times. So we are going to provide here export users features, and that also is possible with the help of mart website package that we have installed in last video for newsletter for subscriber export. So do watch the last video if you have not installed the that package, that mart website package. Okay, we are going to start working on this one. So let's start. First of all, we are going to run one command here that is required to create that Excel file, that new terminate folder. We are going to create that user export file. Okay, that will get created in the export folder. Here we are going to create that file, php artisan make export, like this, make export, and after that users export. Okay, users export. Okay, so this file will get created. Let's see, users export. Okay, now it has been created. See, first thing I'm again telling you that we need to install the package. If you have not installed the package, then run this command, composer require mart website Excel. Okay, so this is the first step. Install this package so that the export functionality will work in your Laravel e-commerce website, and it is for the Laravel 6, Laravel 6, Laravel 7, Laravel 8, means the updated version from Laravel 6 onwards. Okay, it will support Laravel 6 onwards. Okay, it will not support Laravel 5. Okay, so don't go for that. Okay, so install this package, and I will show you that we have already installed this package in last video. Here you can check here in composer.json file anytime. Here you can see mart website Excel 3.1 version. Okay, so this package we have already installed. So the next step is we will go here in users, where we are required to provide the export. Here it is. So here we are required to provide some export. So we are going to add the link button there. So let's do that and see in this, like this one, in the same way we are going to provide one more, or I will create the new link here. Okay, a href and link, we are going to create its route. We can create like admin export users. Okay, so this route we are going to create, and we are going to close. Okay, fine. And after that, class, and after that, there we are required to do that class we can give here something like button, button block, and sorry, button prime. We will give button primary here, bootstrap classes, and button mini. Okay, so we will try with this one, then export users, and then now we can check once. Okay, it comes here. Here we are going to check classes here are fine. Button primary, button mini fine, and href. Okay, so it seems to be fine. Then what is missing? Something is missing, and otherwise we can take this one only. We can check with this one, and let's see, this one we can remove, and we can also pick this one. Now it seems to be fine, but if we will change the class to once again, I will do button primary, like this one. Yeah, now it is working. Okay, so see, we will add a this one in some table here. Okay, table td. Okay, so we can quickly add this one, all this stuff like this. Okay, so here table, we are going to give here a line, right? Okay, I am not so good in the front end design. Okay, so you need to take the uh, designer help for all this. So we can do it like this. Okay, so now we can check once. Now it looks fine. Okay, so add user export users button is now fine. And now see, we are required to create its route here in web.php file. Straight away after users, we can give export users. uh, okay, route, get export users, UsersController at the rate of export users, like this. Okay, now we are going to create this function inside UsersController located at the admin. Here it is, and there is one more file, user export file. Here we are going to update this collection function, but first of all, we are going to add here, but we will also add here the classes that we required. Okay, export classes, like first class is located in exports folder, and that is our user export that we have already created this file. Okay, users export, this one. And the next one is the mart website package class. Okay, mart website, excel, and packets. Okay, and the excel. Okay, so this is another class that required, and here we are going to add the function here. So we are going to add public function export users, return excel, okay, download, and here we are going to add new user export, users export, and after that users dot okay. Now we are going to now update the collection function as well uh, here in okay. So here also we are going to update the header here from collection, and here we are going to update with the heading also, with heading and from collection, okay. So one more we are going to add here, for add the heading is required, okay. Mod website excel, and here concerns, then with heading, for the heading of the rows, okay. So this one is also required. And now class user export implements, here we are going to add this with heading and from collection, okay. And after that here in collection we are going to add the code. First of all we are going to export all the table data, for exporting complete table, okay. And we are going to add here return user is our model all, okay. So here also add the user model, okay. If the user model is located in app folder, then we will give this path, otherwise app models will come, okay. If we have started this project in Laravel 7 or 8, then we will give this models folder. Otherwise, if you have upgraded the project to Laravel 7 to 8, then it is not required. Models folder will never get created when we upgrade the project, okay. So otherwise, see, one good thing I want to tell you, that interviewer will also ask you, if you are going for the Laravel interview, that why it remains the same even if you upgrade your project. It remains the same because we never update the models folder when we upgrade the project from Laravel 6 to 7, then to 8, because if we will upgrade the models folder, then we need to make changes in all the files, okay. Then we need to make all the files like this, so it is not possible for the big project, it is not possible at all. So we keep the folders as it is, so we don't change the structure of the folders when we upgrade Laravel 6 to Laravel 7 and Laravel 7 to Laravel 8, okay. So that's why it remains the same. That's why our models are located in the app folder, they are not located under the models folder. That is the part of Laravel 7 and Laravel 8 right now, okay. So here see, we are going to check it once. Okay, we have partially done this. I will click on export users. Some issue is coming. Class app export contain one aspect method, but therefore we declare abstract or implement, okay. So there is some kind of issue, I think. What is the issue here? Let me check once. So I think that we are required to give here the another function as well, heading function. As we have added the heading classes, okay. So we are going to return all the fields here. We will open the admin database here, php my admin. Okay, so now we are going to try again. See, now it is exporting. Okay, you can check here. Now we able to export, but we are required to see here. It is showing all the columns here, but we are required the selected columns. So we will comment this one and we will add our own query. Okay, because we required only these columns to export. Okay, so here we are going to add our own query here. So we will also write for exporting selected columns. Okay, so we want to export the selected columns here. So for that we will do dollar users data here, user select id, name, address, city, state, pin code, mobile, email, and credit rate. We are going to export only the users who are active, whose status is 1, and also we will start from the descending order. So we will use the order by id descending. Use the get here. Okay, so we will use here return dollar users data. So now we will try to export the users once again. We'll go back, refresh, export users. We will be able to export. We are going to check. See, we are able to export all the data here. Okay, name, address, city, state, country, pin code. Okay, mobile, email, registered on. Okay, everything is perfect. But here is some issue. Uh, Name, address, city, state, country is missing one column. So we are going to check where is the issue. See, we have missed one column here, city, state, and after that country is also there. Now it seems to be fine. We are going to try once again. I'm going to close these files and we'll try here, refresh here, export users. Now we're going to try again. Okay, let's see. Name, address, city, fine, state, country. Now country has come. United States, UK, Australia, all the countries are coming here. Then pin code, mobile, and email, and then registered on. Okay, so all the columns are coming here. Whatever column we are required. Okay, so we able to provide the export feature here for exporting all the users from the admin panel in Excel file. Okay, so you can add the export feature like this for users, and in next video we will provide the export features to the orders as well. Okay, so stay tuned for that. And after that we are going to do the import as well for importing the products, or for importing the users or something. Okay, so that we will also do along with the other features, so please stay tuned for that. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.